Me again here. We got a Huawei p20. As you can see, it's been chopped somehow. So yeah, so we're gonna have to replace the back glass. So we got one in here. So we're gonna remove this one. The procedure is as usual. We're gonna heat it up and get this thing done. So we make sure we don't apply a lot of heat, like too much heat, so we don't want to damage other part of the phone. Therefore, we need to be careful. There we go. And I'll just run through this. So the only thing we need to be careful is to not apply too much heat. The best thing is if I just put it on the edge, and then apply some heat. This way the rest of the heat will go outside, which will not reflect onto phone's screen. So this way the rest of the air will go outside the screen and will not reflect to the ground and come back to the phone. So you have to just okay, where's my card? I've got these cards that I've been using or I use every time. So first of all, we have to run this sharp bristle blade, and then probably okay. Here we have to be very careful now because we got camera lens and everything. So we want to take it all off a nice piece and damage, because we're gonna have to use that camera lens and everything into the new case or new back glass. So just nicely remove this one. There we go. So what we need from this one here, we need this bits off and apply it. Put it here because this new one doesn't have that bit, so we're gonna have to have that one. Okay, we'll leave this flex here, remove because we're gonna apply new glue, so because this is gonna stay nicely. I'm gonna clean it out before. So as I just said, that we're gonna have to remove all these bits from here. Turn around and remove the nicely from here. I'm gonna put on the new one, as well as this shields here. This one is really tight. Oh my goodness, it's not gonna come off easily. Okay, this one is really tight and hard, so we have to be very careful to remove this one. So just apply a bit of heat and then because we don't want to mess about, otherwise we have to get a new one. There we go, nicely. Now so just we go. So we remove these, and finally we're gonna have to remove this bit here. Strange, very strangely stuck in here. There we go. So this is how we took them off, and now we're gonna have to put it back into the other one. So if I come back in here, I'm not sure if this one has got any type of glue or not, but you know, regardless, just gonna open this one. Oh, it's got glue. Anyway, so we get the lens from here and apply it here. So here we go. We kind of put these together back on, and it should be ready to go. We're gonna just put this right in here, and oh, the other one out. Sorry, it just dropped off. So if it's coming off, then we're gonna have to apply some source of glue here to make sure it's secure and nicely sit down there. Just a little bit of glue at the edges, so it doesn't come off really. And if you want to see if this one is moving or not, or whatever, if you want, you can literally apply a little bit of glue here. Right. So recording, actually, it is recording. Yeah, so we're gonna have to apply some glue here as well, because I don't want it to come off. Or, you know, just make sure we do a proper job. It's really another thing we make sure that there's no glue on the lenses. So that's one thing we need to make sure. That's outside the lens. So yeah, gonna have to grab this one. So we just nicely put it here, and then I presume we'll apply with some okay. We almost should be good. There you go. So now, because it's got it came with the adhesive stick into it, so we don't even need a glue to apply on. So we just need to put it on hold. There you go. Job done. There's a broken one which we don't need anymore. Yep, so that's the new one. We're gonna have to put under some heavy shelves so we can get a nice dried up, you know, before the customer picks it up. That'll be helpful, because we don't want to give it to him like this, because he's going to come off. It's not going to sit down properly. So here we go. Phone is started, all in good shape. I'm gonna switch off. There you go. All done. Thank you very much for watching. See you.